Okay, so I'm back, guys. And where we left off, we're going to find some coal, as you can remember. And I'm going to build a campaign out of this or whatever, like it's how to survive the first night, finding coal and like that stuff. Like, so, right now it's how to survive your first night, because night hasn't exactly come yet. Wait, maybe it has. This thing is turning night. I'm gonna look at the sun, just let me do my running distance. Sorry I have it on normal, because usually, tiny, because usually it lags. Okay. I think it's gonna be, because it's not, yeah, it's going down, so that means it's gonna be turning night. You know, like, in this game, I get like 30 minutes, like, no, like 10 minutes, but since my game's a little laggy, it's not gonna be good. So it's not gonna be 10 minutes. You're only supposed to get 10 minutes, but mine isn't. Where's that coal? Oh, I have some coal. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be back with the coal, okay? So, yeah. I'll be back with the coal. Oh, there we go. We found some coal. Come on, let me put my inventory. There we go. So we found the coal. Now let's start mining it up. Because we need the torches for the night, so we can see if any mobs are coming and stuff. Oh god. If you can hear Scratcher or meowing, that's my cat trying to get in. Okay, so we're gonna need food, and it looks like the moon's coming up. So let's get ourselves food. But first, let's make those torches. Okay, so I have a few of these. Okay, so I have two of them. So, I'm gonna build a stone house while it's going through the night, and God bless me. Alright, God bless you, whatever. Okay. Okay, so, oh yeah, the torches. Oh, I just need one more stick. Now I have all the torches I basically need. Okay. So I bet mobs are gonna respawn. Ooh, I'm gonna have cows. That could fill my body. Well, then my first Minecraft video was Bandicam. You wanna see one of my worlds that I put like mob spawners? You can use the iron door so zombies don't break through and stuff. And you can like get a lot of points and stuff. That's the other world I'm talking about. Look. Let's see, I have some raw beef. Oh my god, will my cat stop meowing? Here we go. Where is it? Oh, hi, cow. I don't not like cows but this is how you actually want to survive it. Okay, so let me get this. And then once I'm done building my house, I'll be back. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'll so once I'm back, I'll be done building my house. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, sorry for the long wait, but I'm back with my tiny shelter. That doesn't look good because they can like get out of my house. I said get out of my dang house. I don't like cows. Did I already mention that? Yeah, thank you. Well, I killed you. Well, now this is really lucky. And all you do is just put torches around your house and then you're done. How to survive your first night. Now I'll record a new video. Hope I